Hello, guys, and welcome to the Teen Talks podcast. Today's podcast is about funny facts and
Weird news.
weird. Yes.
Yeah,
Anyways, I'm Kayan Sarkari,
I am
and
Shaurya. And
yes,
so today is gonna be all about weird, random, and absurd news and facts. So let's straight away get into it. So Kayan, you
yes,
got the random weird facts.
I
So
got
start.
many random facts. Okay. Um, I got a, I got many. So I'll tell you the random fact one.
Yeah,
Banging your head against a wall for 1 hour burns 150 calories.
I am.
Technically, I'm going to be doing that. I mean, if I did that, it would have been like I would have vanished away. But what I'm trying to say is, people, come on, you
But
can do this.
imagine if this was metaphorical. Like anyone cracking a dad joke, and I'd be like, I lose some weight. But
No wonder my parents look in, during quarantine, they keep on banging their heads saying, "Arey, because of Kayan, I'm getting
they're
thinner." And I'm like,
disappointed
no,
of you,
because of,
Kayan. You're
yeah.
disappointing. You're just kidding, by the way. Yeah,
Anyway,
yeah.
I got another random fact now.
Okay.
Um, Snakes can predict earthquakes.
Snakes.
Yeah, snakes.
How?
But my haters can't really know when it rains. That's one part. Okay.
So my friends.
Anyway, yeah.
Yeah.
Anyway, I'll tell
they
you.
should they should
Snakes can
join the meteorological department.
dude. This is really fun. Okay. So snakes can actually sense a coming earthquake from 75 miles away. That means 121 kilometers.
My
Up to 5 days.
friends
Before it happens, that also.
my friends
Like a
should
week before, they're like, "You guys are going to die," but they're like,
my friends should really join meteorological department. They'll kill. Okay.
"Yes."
But yeah,
um,
because
you know,
yeah,
instead of snakes, birds can actually predict storms and the weather, especially
I don't know
like
if it.
migratory birds.
I don't quote myself on this, or I don't think it's like I don't believe like I don't have the. I don't think it's a fact. What I have heard, when dogs eat grass, it's gonna there's gonna storm. There's a storm coming the next day. I don't know how true it is, but like I don't know. Whenever I see a dog eating grass,
Yeah.
I check on my phone, and I saw once that a storm was arriving. I don't know if it's true or not. Some weird shit. Yeah. So the next fact.
Okay. A flock of crows
Yeah.
is known as a murder.
Yeah.
Like
I
a
know
murder,
that. I know
and
that.
that's really cool.
Uh,
Like, I'll be like, "I'll murder you, bro," and you're like, "Oh, you're gonna throw crows at me." I'm like, "What?"
but
um.
I don't know if this is related or so, but whenever a person dies in Maharashtrian tradition, uh, if
Yeah.
he is murdered also, we give food to a murder. If you
Oh,
understand, yeah, we give food
I know.
to
I
doves,
understand.
yeah, crows.
Okay.
Yeah, that's
Um.
weird.
I got
Also,
an.
I've heard
Okay.
that Parsis give the dead bodies to the vultures, right? Like in the, I don't know
No, the
the,
vultures come to the dead body.
I
The
don't
dome
under
is there, and
the dome is
inside
called
the
what?
dome, the
I
dead
don't
body
remember the
gets there.
name. Like what is it called? Like it's there. There's one in
The
your,
place.
yeah, the place
The
called.
place is called Dungarwadi.
No, oh yeah, Tower of Silence. It's called, right?
Tower of Silence. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I have heard a
So,
lot of spooky stories. Yeah,
oh,
plugging on the
wow.
next
None of it is
podcast.
true. I don't think it's true. Oh, yes, guys, come on, next podcast. Let's do this. I got
Yeah,
another.
yeah.
Um, I got another fact. Um,
By the
the
way, just
oldest
clearing it
yacht.
out for the
Yes,
viewers, all the random facts are going to be done by Kayan, and all the news is going to be done by me.
yes.
So yeah,
Remember,
don't,
all the
yeah,
facts are
remember,
actually legit, huh?
yeah, the
So if
legit,
you guys have a problem with the facts, you have a problem with me, not Shaurya.
yeah, okay. Clearing myself out, bro. And also, every news is fake nowadays, so it doesn't really matter.
Yes, guys, read my blog K News. The most real one, most reliable one, remember.
Yeah, you were doing
Monkey running away with a horse. Okay, that's real. That's actually real.
the link in the description. Yeah, continue.
What cheeky type of, just slipped my blog inside this
Yeah,
podcast. I love this.
every time,
Anyways,
yeah.
um, I'll tell you another fact now. The oldest Yo Mama joke was discovered on a 3,500-year-old Babylonian tablet.
Oh, what is an Omama joke, by the way? I don't know.
Yo Mama, so fat, she looked like a whole new planet. That,
Oh,
yeah, so imagine. He was so
where,
savage.
where was it found?
3005. It was found in Iraq in 1976.
So fat
But
shaming
the
is
tablet
a
has been lost. The
so
tablet has been lost, but the text
okay.
still is there.
So fat shaming is a tradition. I see. Yeah, we're just following our culture. It's just in our roots, in our roots.
Yeah. I got another fact.
Yeah, it's filled with facts,
29th
by the
May,
way. Yeah.
29th May is officially put a pillow on your fridge day. I guess Americans would love it, right? Since they open the fridges a lot. Americans open their fridge 22 times every day.
I do the same.
Statistical.
Apparently, I'm American
Same.
now. NRY bitches.
Hey, Trump, give me a visa.
green card, de do, please. But like how random can a day be? Like next time we will put it like 9/11 is the day when the plane hits the building. Yeah, yeah, that's a day
Yeah.
now. That's a day now. Yeah, FBI, please don't kill us. Please don't kill us. By the way,
They should look at Simpsons.
for the way, 9/11 is the day when Twin Tower happened. So yeah, all
Yeah.
the all the fuckers who don't are
When
in news.
when the twin towers stopped happening, actually, not happened.
Yeah,
It stopped
stopped happening. They ceased to existence. Like
Yeah.
being in Indian, we can crack 9/11 jokes so randomly.
No, we cannot. Listen, my viewers, please understand that we
By the
don't
way,
take
we
anything
had some viewers in America that we're gonna lose after this podcast.
amazing. How to lose Americans. Wow.
Just build a wall, dude.
Um,
No, by that we lose Mexicans. I'm sorry. Yeah,
Oh no.
we're just taking on
I got
Trump
another
today.
fact.
Yeah.
I got another fact. 7% of American adults believe that chocolate milk comes from brown cows. So like brown milk,
Yeah, I understand.
brown cows. Stupid people. But during the night the sun is black now. Huh? How crazy are they?
I don't understand how dumb can I'm not like generalizing Americans, but the Americans who are like the face of America are so dumb. I don't understand why. Like, do
I
not
mean, they
give.
voted for Trump as it is.
Like,
I mean, where?
be voted for Modi.
Yo, come on. Don't go there now. No. Listen. Don't. No political shit right now. Plus, my viewers have nothing against Modi. I have nothing against any political party.
I don't.
Tell me.
Okay, yeah, okay. I'll keep.
Sorry, please.
Okay, I'm silent. I'm silent.
No,
Next
I
fact.
just peed myself.
Next fact.
I was about. Oh God. Okay, next fact. So this is about billy
Yeah.
goats.
About
Billy
who?
goats urinate on their billy goats.
Acha,
Goats.
Billy goats. Yeah. Acha.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The billy
Bakri.
goats urinate on their own heads to smell more attractive to females.
I was gonna
But-
crack one more Modi joke, but okay.
Yeah, let's move on from Modi, please.
Go
I
mutra.
beg you.
Go mutra on your face, buddy. Indians do that too.
Oh,
Not
God.
generalizing again. We
Okay,
gotta be
so-
so in jail after this.
You know, bro, I think I'm a billy goat because many girls call me a piss head.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm
Next
kidding. No
fact.
girl calls me that way. They call me nice guy.
I use Axe
Um,
perfume, like Axe deodorant. They're good. No sponsorship though. Sponsor us if you want to.
Axe, come on.
Yeah,
Okay,
come on.
so the inventor of the frisbee was cremated and made into a frisbee after he died. How cool is
Wow.
that?
Like his bones were converted into a frisbee.
Imagine a dude so horny, after dying he gets cremated and made into a dildo,
I have a I have
like
a
a full-on
dildo
sex.
news coming up by the way. Yeah, continue.
Uh, the fuck? Okay, so another fact.
Yeah.
During your lifetime, you will produce enough saliva to fill 2 swimming pools. I thought there would be more, but somehow only 2.
Yeah, I
And
feel underwhelmed.
yeah, and 730 liters per year is produced.
You know, have you seen movie? It's Shah Rukh Khan movie where he went to school, like he goes to a college after being in army. I don't
कोई
remember.
मिल गया.
Yeah, कोई मिल
Sorry,
गया. Yeah. मैं हूं ना. मैं हूं
It's
ना.
मैं हूं ना. Yeah.
उसमें that Dean was na that the
Oh yes,
he
the
must be
whole
feeling the
Matrix thing
twice
like
of
that.
it.
Also.
He must be feeling the
Oh,
twice of us.
he must have made Pacific Ocean only. Sorry, Indian Ocean. Let's be patriotic now. Indian Ocean.
Yeah, Indian Ocean. By the way, we are in the blacklist.
Yeah.
Yeah, the next fact, please.
um. So movie trailers were originally shown after the movie,
Yeah, I know
which is
this.
why they were called trailers.
Trailers, yeah. Because
Yeah.
apparently, after the movies, nobody used to watch them. So they were like, fuck it, we're going to show it before the movies. Because kaun rukne wala hai? Like, before Avengers, nobody used to wait and sit to see all the credits until and
Trust
unless
me.
you're the person whose
Same.
name is in the credit for the first time. Then you'll wait
I
till
would
your
have sat through
names
it.
come.
I would have gone 5, 6 times to watch the movie. Then later on, I would have sat through the credits just to see my name. Like
if
that.
you're a spot boy there in the end, kaya sarkari, kaya sarkari. And the cleaner is like, yeah, okay, fine, bye. But
I got another fact.
yeah,
Um, heart attacks are most likely to happen on a Monday.
how is that a fact? Like, who's counting that? Like,
As
this
in,
guy died on
people are
Monday.
very like useless in this world now. Remember, we humans, we are more interested in studying how people break up than to love or not have any, you know, how to say hatred in this world. Instead, they are like, you know what? The most common time for it to happen also is 4 to 10 a.m. Wow, it's actually there. Yes.
Like, we humans love drama and clout so much that we can form that. Look at
Yeah.
us. Look at us talking shit about the government, clout, and drama just
No,
for views.
I'm not talking shit about the government. I'm not doing anything like that.
We're talking
Okay.
about US
I play
government,
by the rules.
bro. We're talking about US government,
US government. Okay, cool.
not our government. How can we?
Yeah.
How can
Yeah,
we? There's no freedom of
actually, how
yeah,
can we?
yeah.
No.
Yeah, I'm not going there. Okay, I'm not going there. Next fact.
Um, tennis players are not allowed to swear when they are playing in Wimbledon because the referees have to learn each and every curse word in every language so they know when the player violates the rules. Imagine me going up and
Yeah,
I'm saying, and see, I give a Parsi bad. I don't think the referee knows anything. Like, since we are just like a very few
but
of us
in
Parsis
Parsi
left, I'll
bad
be like,
word, is Parsi bad? Yeah, you do your skit. Yeah,
I'll be like,
I'll be the referee.
okay, come on. Oh shit. Sorry. खेल छोड़ियो सालो. I shooter. Hello, Harami. Huh? Huh? Like that.
But I know these. Like these are like
I know.
my like
Imagine the referee in
mix of
Wimbledon.
Hindi and Gujarati galis, like something like that.
Yeah.
Parsi. But if the person knows, like if the referee knows Gujarati and Hindi galis, he must be knowing a Parsi gali too, nah, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah. So your dream of like cursing on Wimbledon is dead.
Man, let it be now.
Yeah, the
So
next fact.
another fun fact. Another fun fact. A lion's
Yeah.
roar can be heard from 5 miles away.
What? Yeah. I know this, and
Yeah.
it does happen. Huh? If you in Kenya or like Gir to be Indian, I have been to Gir, and after hunting, and when they yawn, they
Yeah.
like they roar. So we were at that time only. We did not see a lion, but we heard the roar. Like they were like,
Man, that's really
and
cool.
and then the guide was like we had two guides like whole family, like joint family went there, so we had two
Yeah.
guides. So the guide, we heard a roar, and then because halfway through the trip we did not see a lion, we did not see anything, so we were like, what is this, man? But then we heard the roar, and then we were like, there's a lion. We told this to guide, and the guide is like, yeah, there's one, we can show you, but it's in the like non-going area, but we can sneak you in. But the other guy was too
Yeah.
scared to get us in, but yeah, he's following the rules, so I don't say anything.
Okay.
So yeah, but we heard the roar, and it's quite loud.
Okay,
Yeah.
another fact. Um, I guess this is the second last fact, and then we'll head on to the weird news.
Yeah.
All right. So, a sheep, a duck, and a rooster were
Yeah.
the first passengers ever in a hot air balloon.
What?
A sheep, a
Yeah.
duck, and a
Yeah.
rooster
Okay.
were the first passengers ever to be in a hot air balloon in 1783. Wow.
Like animal
And
cruelty at this best.
it lasted for 8 minutes.
Arey, but
It's really funny.
when the fire is gone, they'll crash. No,
Yeah.
obviously. So that's animal
No,
cruel. How not? How not, bro?
actually, I mean, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, you're right.
until the hot air is in the balloon, it flies. But after eight
Yeah,
minutes, the fire is gone and they crash, and the animals are
yeah,
dead. So you have a rooster, like a chicken roast, a duck roast, and what was the last animal?
a rooster,
No, a rooster was there.
a sheep,
A sheep.
a
Okay.
sheep, a duck, and a rooster.
So a lamb roast, a chicken roast, and
All.
a duck roast available after 8 minutes.
Ah, okay, this is the last fact now.
Yup.
In Uganda, by the way, Shaurya, Ugandu. Okay, around 48% of the population is under 15 years of age. Imagine the pedophiles. Imagine them. Wow.
We should send some of our
Imagine,
friends there.
the-
The friends
imagine
are
the
getting that.
relationships. Imagine the relationships of minors. And like, oh, you're 14, you're a father now.
By the
Wow.
way, not funny and like a fact, but it's very menacing to know that people like
Pedophiles exist.
no. In Uganda
Oh,
only, the
oh, so
teachers.
that's not important.
No, listen to. This is more important. This is
Yes,
way serious,
yes.
by the way.
Tell
The
me, tell me.
teachers ask for sex when the child has failed, and they don't pass until unless they give it to you.
Bro, in America, it's different. The student says, "Come have sex with me, sir. I'll get an A."
No, but
Like
seriously,
that.
like yeah, and this scandal is going around in Uganda, and I think this is related to this fact a lot because the general age is so less. I don't
Yes,
know. It is very menacing to know though.
yes.
Yeah, so
All right.
that's
So now let's transfer to
it. Start
your
with the
department
weird
of weird news.
news. Weird news.
Hey.
Come.